Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani American news channel. Kassar Mustafa from New York. President Donald Trump's embattled nominee for defense secretary says he still has the president-elect's backing after reports suggested his nomination may be in jeopardy over allegations of misconduct. President Donald Trump is considering replacing Pete Hegseth with Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, the BBC's partner CBS News reported. After Hegseth's nomination came under intense scrutiny. Since President Donald Trump nominated the former Fox News host, questions about Hegseth's qualifications have been raised, and a historical sexual assault allegation has surfaced. Hegseth has denied any wrongdoing and was never arrested or charged. Hegseth did not address the DeSantis reports directly and told reporters on Wednesday he had earlier spoken with President Donald Trump. He said, "Keep going, keep fighting. I am behind you all the way," Hegseth said. In a post on X on Wednesday morning, Hegseth accused the left of trying to smear him with fake stories. His nomination is the subject of growing scrutiny by members of his own party, including U.S. senators, who have the power to confirm or deny his appointment when are asked to vote on it. "I think some of these articles are very disturbing," Senator Lindsey Graham told CBS on Tuesday. He obviously has a chance to defend himself here, but some of his stuff is going to be difficult. DeSantis, who was elected Florida governor in 2018, did not reply to a request for comment. A spokesperson for Trump declined to say whether DeSantis was under consideration for the post. DeSantis ran against Trump in the Republican primary, and before dropping out, he was considered by some to be Trump 2.0, a Republican who could deliver President Donald Trump's populist agenda without baggage. The latest speculation, first reported by the Wall Street Journal, comes as Hegseth meets members of Congress this week to discuss the job and drum up support. A graduate of Princeton and Harvard universities, Hegseth was an infantry platoon leader in Guantanamo Bay and Iraq, and was awarded the Bronze Stole Medal in nominating Hegseth, who is also a former Fox News TV host. President Donald Trump highlighted the former soldier's education and his military experience in Afghanistan and Iraq. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.